Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yonex Ezone 100. The Yonex Ezone 100L 285G 2022 tennis racket is a high-performance racket designed for players seeking a blend of power, control, and maneuverability. Weighing in at just 285 grams, this racket is lighter than many standard models, making it ideal for intermediate to advanced players who prioritize speed and quick reaction times on the court. The lighter weight allows for faster swings, helping players generate more racket head speed, which can translate into greater power behind each shot without sacrificing precision. Yonex has engineered the Ezone 100L with their signature isometric head shape, which expands the sweet spot for improved forgiveness on off-center hits. This design innovation helps players maintain consistent performance even when their shots aren't perfectly struck. The 2022 model also incorporates updated materials and technologies to enhance feel and vibration dampening, contributing to a more comfortable playing experience during long matches. With a 100 square inch head size, the Ezone 100L offers a great balance of control and power, allowing players to execute a variety of strokes with confidence. The racket's string pattern and stiffness provide excellent spin potential, enabling aggressive baseline play. Additionally, its maneuverability makes it well suited for net play and quick volleys. Overall, the Yonex Ezone 100L 285G 2022 tennis racket is a versatile option for players looking to improve their game with a racket that delivers speed, control, and comfort all in one package. Number 2. Wilson Blade 98 V9. The Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 is a high-performance tennis racket designed for competitive players who demand precision, control, and spin. This unstrung version allows players to customize their string choice and tension to perfectly match their playing style. The Blade 98 features a 98 square inch head size, which provides an excellent balance between power and control, making it popular among advanced players who prefer a slightly smaller hitting surface for greater accuracy. Its 16x19 string pattern promotes enhanced spin potential, allowing players to generate heavy topspin or slice shots with ease. The racket's updated V9 version incorporates advanced materials and technology to improve stability and feel, delivering better feedback and responsiveness on every shot. The construction uses braided graphite and basalt fibers to reduce unwanted vibrations and enhance comfort, which helps prevent arm fatigue during long matches. Weighing in at a competitive weight range, the Blade 98 is agile enough for quick maneuvering while still providing enough mass for solid, penetrating ground strokes and serves. Available in grip sizes 1 through 4, it offers options for players to find their perfect fit, ensuring comfort and control during play. Overall, the Wilson Blade 98 16x19 V9 unstrung racket is an excellent choice for aggressive baseline players and all-court players who want a blend of control, feel, and spin. Its customizable string setup, innovative materials, and player-focused design make it a trusted racket in the competitive tennis world. Number 3. Head Speed MP. The Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket is a versatile and well-balanced option designed for intermediate to advanced players who seek a combination of power, control, and maneuverability. The MP in its name stands for Mid Plus, referring to its 100 square inch head size, which offers a generous sweet spot that helps players deliver consistent and precise shots. This makes it an excellent choice for aggressive baseliners and all-court players alike. One of the standout features of the Speed MP is its updated Graphene 360 Plus technology, which improves the racket's stability and energy transfer. Graphene 360 Plus enhances the flex and feel of the frame, providing better feedback and a comfortable response on every stroke. This technology allows players to swing confidently, generating powerful serves and ground strokes without compromising control. The racket has a balanced weight and a medium stiffness rating, giving it enough heft for solid, penetrating shots while maintaining agility for quick reactions in net play. Its 16 by 19 string pattern helps generate impressive spin, making it easier to hit heavy topspin or slice shots. Ergonomically designed, the Head 2022 Speed MP provides excellent comfort and reduced vibrations, helping to minimize arm fatigue during long matches or intense training sessions. Its sleek, modern design with dynamic graphics adds visual appeal to its already impressive performance. Overall, the Head 2022 Speed MP tennis racket is a reliable, high-quality racket that caters to players wanting a blend of power, precision, and spin, helping them elevate their game to the next level. Number 4. Babolat Pure Aero. The Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen tennis racket is a signature edition inspired by Rafael Nadal's playing style, designed to deliver exceptional spin, power, and control. This racket is crafted for aggressive baseline players who thrive on heavy topspin and fast-paced rallies. Its aerodynamic frame is engineered to cut through the air with minimal resistance, allowing players to generate maximum racket head speed for explosive shots. Featuring a 100 square inch head size and a 16 by 19 string pattern, the Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen offers an ideal combination of a generous sweet spot and excellent spin potential. The open string pattern helps produce heavy topspin, making it easier to keep the ball deep and force opponents into defensive positions. The racket's weight and balance are optimized to provide both stability and maneuverability, enabling quick reactions and precise shot placement. Babolat incorporates its proprietary technologies in this model, such as Cortex Pure Feel, which improves vibration dampening and enhances feel, resulting in a more comfortable playing experience even during extended matches. The updated frame design also boosts stability and power without compromising control. Aesthetic updates give the racket a sleek look with Nadal-inspired colors and graphics, emphasizing its connection to the tennis legend. Whether you're a fan of Rafael Nadal or a player looking for a racket that emphasizes spin and power, the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen is a top-tier option that combines performance with iconic style. Number 5. Babolat Pure Drive. The Babolat Pure Drive 110, 10th generation, tennis racket is a popular choice for players seeking a combination of power, forgiveness, and versatility on the court. With its larger 110 square inch head size, this racket provides an expanded sweet spot, which enhances shot accuracy and consistency, making it especially suitable for intermediate and recreational players who want a little extra help with power and control. This 10th gen model builds upon Babolat's legacy by incorporating modern materials and technology to improve feel and stability. Strung with 16G Babolat Sin gut strings at a mid-range tension, the racket offers a balanced response, delivering a mix of control and power while maintaining comfort. The synthetic gut string choice ensures good durability and decent spin potential, while the mid-range tension strikes a balance between power and precision. The Pure Drive 110 features a lightweight frame that enhances maneuverability, allowing for faster swings and better reaction times, which is valuable during fast-paced rallies in net play. Its design also helps reduce vibration, contributing to a more comfortable experience during long matches. Players will appreciate the racket's ability to generate effortless power without sacrificing control, thanks to its combination of a larger hitting area and innovative frame construction. The 10th General Pure Drive 110 is an excellent option for those who want an accessible yet performance-oriented racket that supports aggressive baseline play and all-court versatility.